Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I am Ali Malik with you guys, and today is a very exciting news for you guys because the BNB Various is very close to be launching. Just 4 days have been remaining, my friends, and I am going to be telling you how you can make free money from this system unlimited, my friends, because this system is offering you whenever you join, you register with this system, this BNB Various system, you will get two airdrops. One is you will receive 10 USDT bep20, and the second one you will receive 20 ABC coin. The ABC coin listing price will be $5 each coin. $5 each coin will be the listing price. Moreover, you also can make unlimited income from this airdrop. Suppose that if you refer any person, direct refer any person, you have sent your link and that person have just registered. As he will just register and he will claim 20 ABC coin, you will receive 1 ABC coin as a referral income. It means that you are receiving from every referral $5, every referrals. And also from first level to 15 level, any person for first 10 days, this ABC coin airdrop is for no time limit, but the USDT bep20 in your first level to 15 level, any person first 10 days, any person in these 15 levels who will join in your structure, you will get 1 USDT as a free gift, So if in your structure there is a 500 people, you will make 500 USDT as an airdrop, because every person that is registering in your structure, you are making 1 USDT as a free. If you have 10, 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000 in first 10 days from first level to 15 level, you will make 10,000 USDT bep20. My friend, this is the chance to make a huge amount of the USDT and also the ABC coin, because this is something very special. 8th of the January is the launching of this BNB Various, and 10th of January is going to be live the exchange of the ABC coin. Is going to be live, and the ABC coin is going to be listed with a huge liquidity, my friends. Don't miss this opportunity. Grab this airdrop, because it's something very big that is going to be change your life as a free income. So let's take it and be the serious. Start creating your community. Just keep a little amount of the BNB in your wallet as a transaction fees. Thank you very much, my friends. If you are new in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and click on a bell icon. Thank you very much.